Hello and welcome again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are always doing well and in great health. Today's recipe is a savory pastry with chicken liver. Here I have one onion that I sliced like this. It is a slightly large onion, and I also have about 3 tablespoons of traditional oil. I will let this onion soak a little. Now I add the chicken livers that were well washed. They were washed well with salt, lemon, ginger, and onion. I add salt and a small spoon of black pepper. Salt is always adjusted according to taste, and I also add a little grated zucchini. I cook the liver until it dries and the liquid disappears in the pan. Now it is completely dry and there is no liquid left. I turn off the heat and let it cool a little before grinding it. Then I will add the other ingredients. After the liver cooled, I place it in the chopper. I grind it together with the onion. After grinding the liver, I will now add the rest of the ingredients. Here I add about 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced olives. You can also chop the olives in the chopper if you prefer. Here I have about 40 grams of cheese. And here I have 100 grams of Chinese vermicelli. The vermicelli was softened in water and then drained. Now I add 1 spoon of harissa according to taste. I mix these ingredients together. This chicken liver filling turns out very delicious. After mixing the filling, I take a small portion. Then I start shaping it into small balls. This mixture makes about 50 small balls. You can make them slightly larger if you prefer. Now the liver balls are ready. I will roll the puff pastry that I prepared earlier. First, I sprinkle a little flour. Then I roll the dough. I roll the dough and lightly press it. I shape it gently without cutting it. Try not to press too hard so the dough does not tear. Here I have a beaten egg and I brush the edges with it. I brush it like this. I continue in the same way until they are ready. I place 1 ball in the center. Then I continue filling them all. I take the second sheet of dough that I rolled earlier. It looks like this. Then I start cutting it like this. I place the filling in the center. Then I close it. This is the shape you can see. I continue in the same way until I finish the quantity. The remaining dough is gathered and used again. I continue working until everything is ready. The dough is gathered like this. Then it is rolled again. I sprinkle flour on the work surface. Then I roll the dough again. These are the small liver pieces used for the filling. I continue rolling the dough and shaping the pastries. I repeat the same method until all the filling is used. I brush the top with beaten egg. Then I add a little nigella seeds or sesame seeds. Any seeds you prefer can be used. The pastries go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees. They bake for about 25 minutes. This is the final result of our chicken liver pastries. The vermicelli gives them a very nice texture. They come out beautifully baked and golden. I still have another tray baking in the oven. This recipe makes a large quantity. As mentioned earlier, it makes about 50 pieces. If you enjoyed the recipe, please like and subscribe, and activate the notification bell for new recipes.